In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then you need to open it in pop-up view. In order to do that, tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app and then turn it into a bubble by clicking on this line at the top left corner. Following that, tap on the second app, and with this one open and this one as a bubble, click on the bubble. Then you need to hold this line at the top of your window and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see this dark area, just let go. As you can see now, I can use my apps in split screen view. If you want to close it, you can go into background apps and swipe it. If you wish to use more options of split screen view, click on those three dots in the middle and tap on horizontal swap to swap positions of your apps. If you want to use this configuration of split screen view apps more often, you can always save it on your home screen. In order to do that, tap on the same three dots and click on Save App Pair. Then, even when I close this one, I can always click on this icon and always use those two apps in split screen view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!